Alright, so we have always looked at, students would say the easy questions. So I'm doing a worded problem question, which is technically not really hard. It's kind of straightforward. The question is on the side of the screen. The crop C, so that means we're using C to represent crop, of potatoes is directly proportional to the amount of fertilizer F used, which means that of course F is being used to represent fertilizer. It is found that 50 kg of potatoes are produced from 4 kg of fertilizer. Alright, so let's write that out symbolically, what they've said so far. The crop C of potatoes is directly proportional to the amount of fertilizer F used. So C is directly proportional to the amount of fertilizer used. It is found that 50 kg of potatoes are produced from 4 kg of fertilizer. So that means that C is 50 when F is 4. Question A. Write an equation relating C to F. Now the equation would be the general equation, but only thing is different is that the letters are not y and x. So seeing that we have the symbolic form at the top there, C directly proportional to x, we know that our equation should give us C equals K F. And we have answered part A of the. Part B says, what is the expected crop when 10 kg of fertilizer are used? So let's write down our general equation for this question. That would be C equals K F. And it says, what is the expected crop when 10 kg of fertilizer are used? So we want to know C when F's 10. Alright? But before we can do that, we actually need to find K with the pair that they already gave us. So let me draw a line. An equation C equal KF, and they had said in the beginning that C was 50 when F was 4. So 4K is equal to 50. So dividing both sides by 4, K would be 5, 1, 4 into 10, 2, remainder 2, 4 into 20, 5. So K would be equal to 12.5. Now that we've found K, we can go ahead and find what they asked for, which is crop when fertilizer is 10. So again, we write our general equation and then substitute what we do have. We're trying to find C, right? We just found that K was 12.5 and F is 10. So C would be equal to 12.5 multiplied by 10, which is 125. So the crop that is expected when 10 kg of fertilizer are used is 125 kg of potatoes. And I leave you to find part C because this video is running for too long. Thank you. So write the general equation C equal KF, and they want you to find fertilizer that will be produced for a crop of 120 kg. So C is 120, K is 12.5, and F is what we want to find. So we divide both sides by 12.5. And that would give us 9.6. So 9.6 kilogram of fertilizer would be used to produce 120 kilograms. Again,